Hair color in mice is controlled by two pigments. Pheomelanin is the pigment for dark hair, and eumelanin is the pigment for red hair.
Eumelanin production happens when a hormone stimulates a protein called MC1R. When there is lots of the hormone present, lots of eumelanin is produced.
DNA is made up of long sequences of nucleotides. There are four nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. The nucleotide sequence for the MC1R gene is found on the 16th chromosome in mammals. The parts of the DNA that codes proteins are genes. The MC1R gene is made up of a long string of these nucleotides. Mutations occur when the DNA is encoded differently than it is supposed to. Nucleotides in the sequence can be deleted, added, or changed. Sometimes this changes the protein created, and sometimes it doesn't. It all depends. In the case of MC1R, the change of one nucleotide messes up the whole eumelanin production, and it can't be produced. This means the fur phenotype changes, and the mice will look different, probably lighter in color, all because of one mutation. This marks the creation of an allele, an alternative form of gene, so we can now call this mutation a light fur allele.
At the light-colored beach, the colors of the mice correspond to the color of the sand where they live. This is because it makes them less likely to be eaten by sight predators. So the first mice to have a mutation in fur color that matched the soil were much more likely to avoid being spotted by many of their predators, meaning they were much more likely to survive and have babies. The ability to survive and produce offspring means these mice have a high fitness level.